With the release of Operator New Zealand, we just want to take the opportunity to show you a few cool things and talk about where this is all going. So Operator is a computer use agent, and we'll talk about what that is in more detail. But we're just putting in a prompt. I need to order some bread, ciders, and a Circuband high-res from Woolworths to my location. Buy the most expensive items and deliver 5 p.m. next Tuesday. So something quite simple is we can just hit enter, and then the AI is going to understand what my request is. It's going to open up a virtual environment, or it's going to open up, say, like a new tab. It's going to search for Woolworths, find the website, and then hopefully it's going to find all the products. And what it allows is that you can actually follow along as it takes a step-by-step approach. But you don't need to. You could be setting Operator to do its tasks, and you can go away and then come back when it's ready to actually go in the checkout. So here it is. It's just searching bread. It's hitting the little search bar. It's sorting by the highest price, and it'll add it to the trolley. So a computer use agent is specifically designed to work in the way that people do. We have trialed it with Gmail and Xero, where we ask it to go and reconcile things. And it will come back every now and then, especially if you haven't done this task before, and it'll ask you a whole lot of questions. So it's found some bread and wants me to add it to cart, and I can click yes. And the more you use it, the more it gets sort of used to you, and the less individual requests it starts to require based on our testing. So it's got the first thing. Now it's going back to the search bar and looking for ciders. So going back to the Xero example, we just said to the computer use agent, use my email, go on to Xero, and help me reconcile my payments from the last month. It went in, it found out what wasn't reconciled, went across to my Gmail, and then tried to find the receipts for those, create the bills, and then reconcile it. So now that we've got a native way for AI to interact with how we do, you can start to see how these applications might speed things up. Where you'll be able to say, hey Siri, this is my grocery list, go find it for me. And the operator will work in the background, get everything ready for me, and then just prompt me to double check before it goes checkout. But as you can see, it's picked out 3 of these items relatively efficiently, and it's added them to cart. Now it's going to think about the next step, which is select a time for delivery. It goes to the cart, goes to trolley, it checks that I want to proceed to checkout. Now, computer use is coming to the API, so you can imagine a whole lot of different processes or BPOs within your own business that you can start to automate. Whether that be, we did one for commercial real estate, where we took a whole lot of different listings on a realestate.co.nz, put it into a spreadsheet, and then compared the prices to see where we can make an offer or suggest what types of offers we should make. So here it's continue the checkout process. Let's review the delivery details. It's selected the time and it's asked for review to go to the payment step. And it goes through. You can add in your payment and hit OK. Now, anytime you're not happy with how Operator's going, you can take control and do a few manual interventions. So in less than a few minutes, we've taken something that was quite unique in regards to asking an AI to add 3 items to our cart, booking a time for 5 p.m. next Tuesday, and get us to the payment part of the Woolworths website in a relatively efficient way. This is just a preview, and you can imagine by the end of this year, there'll be millions, or if not billions, of agents going around and assisting you in your day-to-day life.